Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to export group members to CSV in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Exporting group members to a CSV file in Google Workspace can be a useful way to manage your organization's user data. By exporting group members, you can easily analyze and manipulate the data in spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Foresight is a SaaS platform to help businesses streamline and automate Google Workspace workflows and allows you to export group members to CSV. How to export group members to CSV in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Creation of the rule. Log into your Foresight account with the help of your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click on the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger. Click Next. Step 2. Select the List Group Members action. Select the group email for which you want to export the members. In the Columns field, keep the default columns. Select the Add Next action. Step 3. Select the Upload data to drive action. Select the group members CSV download link in the CSV file URL and Google Drive folder in the Google Drive folder field. Click Add Next action. Step 4. Select the email action. Then, enter the email address of the manager and create a subject line. After that, create an email body and insert the group member's CSV download link through the variable icon. Click Review. Step 5. Give a rule a name and click Create. Triggering the rule. Click the play icon to trigger the rule. Check the status about successful rule triggers through Notification and Logs page. Verifying the result. Now, let's verify the result from the action history. Then, download the CSV file. First, check the CSV file through Google Drive. You will find the exported group members in the Google Drive CSV file. Then, check the CSV file that you have saved in your system. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.